Do you want to make up to $100 by just answering questions? There's actually a way that you can do this. We're gonna talk about it on this video, but first, let's hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos, joining my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Alright, so we are in my laptop and I'm gonna show you where you're gonna go answer these questions. The website is called Quora. As you can see right there, you go to Quora.com, and then what you need to do is you need to open an account. So you register an account, and then what they're gonna ask you is you want to answer what topics, right? So you're gonna pick a topic. It can be woodworking, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be fitness. What are you good at it? What will be the type of questions you want to answer? So that will be one of the things that you need to ask yourself. Now, there's topics for everything. So pick one and go with it, okay? And then once you pick those, what's gonna happen is you gotta go and let's gonna take for example ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson have released a book. It's called The Expert Secrets. It was released like 3 years ago, and it has sold over 1 million copies worldwide. So for example, you can come here and you can enter here what is Expert Secrets, and as you can see right here, what is an Expert Secrets book. So you will click on that. Once you have registered, there's only 2 answers. So think about this. Let's say there's a question that has only 4 answers, and you will do your due diligence and give value and give a great answer. You can actually come here where it says add comment, and you can write something like, this book was created by Russell Brunson and talk about his experience and how he became an expert and the secrets you need to learn if you want to build an audience. I'm doing this at the top of my head, guys, but you know what, that just so you guys get an idea. An audience and loyal fans, and you can make this, as you can see the answer right here. The answer to this question will be taken in section recent blog post 23, Proven Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. And actually what this answer is doing is sending them to a website. So if you click on that link right here, 23 Proven Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. They did the book review in 2018, and what it does is this link right here sending them to a website, and in the website he's actually promoting the book. So for example, if you're gonna answer that question, which is something that now that I see that it's only like 2 answers, I might have to work on this and come and answer this one myself. You want to, as you can see, this actual answer had 249 views. If someone liked your answer, you can get upvote, and then let's say there's like 10 answers, then you can move up within those ranks, and then your answer will be the first one that everybody sees if you give a very good, compelling answer. Then what you gotta do is you gotta go to ClickFunnels, for example, and you gotta go to your affiliate to your affiliate dashboard, you're gonna click on this button right here, and you're gonna take this link. Now, one thing that you can do is you are going to go over here, and then you're gonna copy it, and you're gonna go to a website. It's called names bit.ly.com, and what you do is you want to shorten that link. As you can see, I've done a few before. You're gonna paste that link, and then you're gonna shorten it. Once you shorten it, then you're gonna copy this, and you're gonna go back to your answer, and then you're gonna paste it. If you are interested in purchasing the book and learn the secrets, click here. Now I want you to understand this. Your answer has to be more compelling, because I personally did it before. I put like a really, let's be honest, a crappy answer with a link in it, and I received an email within 24 hours that they took down my answer because it was not up to par with what they actually are looking for. Now remember, these are real people asking these questions. It's not computers or anything like that. So somebody really wants answers to their questions. So put yourself in their place. If you're asking the questions, you want an answer that's gonna give you the value of it, where you go, okay, you know what, this book is good for me, and it's not good for me, or any answer that you give, like whether it's weight loss, whether it's cooking or something like that, you want a real answer. So think about your answer, and put it in a way where you actually give them value, but also you're promoting some of the products. So you're gonna click, and then you're gonna just click, and there is gonna be the Expert Secrets book, and then you click and add the comment. Now I'm not gonna do this because actually that's a really generic answer. I will have to work on it. But if I read the book, so I can actually go and say, you know what, secret number 3, it's about this and that. So if you're really interested, and my take out of this is, that whatever I learned from the secret, and I can go and use that as my answer. And I say, if you want to know more from secret 1 to how to create funnels, or how to do the one of the things that he talks about is traffic, that the free traffic, or the Dream 100 that I learned from this book, click on this link so you can purchase the book. Now, this is the lazy way to actually do this. What you can actually do is, if you're promoting this or any product, you need to collect those emails, because the answer is gonna be there. And if you get 5 to 6 people, you can get 5 to 6 people to actually click on your link, and maybe they won't purchase right away, but you can actually hit them with your follow-up sequence emails. So I'm gonna show you that I have, and the reason why I show you the example for the Expert Secrets book is because I have a funnel that I'm using for it. It's actually not a funnel, it's an opt-in page. So the Expert Secrets opt-in, right? And then I can just take this link right here, copy it, bring it to Bitly, and paste it on my answer. So then people click, they're gonna go here to this page, right? And then find your message, build a tribe, and change the world. If you're interested and want to go purchase, then enter your email, and then people will click on this. I collect the emails, and I hit them with my follow-up sequence, and then they purchase from my link. That's one example, guys. Like I say, Quora has multiple ways to answer. Let's see, this is like the regular feed, and this is Fitness Plus Attitude, which is the one account that I use for fitness, but I haven't really used it that often. But I just want to show you the possibilities. Answer recommended for you. What are the characteristics of an experienced traveler? So the traveling niche, you can actually go give an answer, and there's an affiliate program that you belong to for travelers. you can actually go and answer this question, and then you can paste your link for the affiliate program that you joined, and you can start making sales today. As you can see, this specific answer got upvoted 100 times. It's been shared 24 times. There's 87 comments. So, you know, if you're consistent, you can actually answer 5 to 6 questions a day, make them very valuable, and then you can get upvoted. And what's gonna happen is Quora will actually email you questions that are related to you for you to answer, so you don't have to like chase constantly what questions should I answer. If you have certain topics that you do, they will email you and say this and like right there, like this is what I'm talking about. You see, answer recommended for you, because I just was playing with it for a while and I answered a bunch of random questions, but I want to concentrate on fitness. As you can see right here, my feed should be about fitness, working out, nutrition, and you know, how do gymnastics have so much fun, have so much muscles without eating in a caloric surplus. So I just can go in, answer this, and if I have a fitness or a weight loss program, I can, you know, send them to that link. So the possibilities are endless. What is the most effective tip to lose belly fat in a month? You know, it all depends on the subject. So I hope that you guys understand this. You can do Amazon Associates. Just a quick example just before we go. You can go answer questions on headphones. You can go answer questions on shoes. Let's see. Party supplies, outdoor decor, and then if you sign up, you go all the way to the bottom and you gotta go to Amazon, make money with us, sell on Amazon, or you can sell under Amazon at Seller, or you can become an affiliate, which is free to join, and then you're gonna join for free, and then you're gonna take the links of the products that you want to promote, go to Quora, answer those questions for the products, put your links over there, collect the emails. So you can do this either with a landing page or without it. It will be better if you actually have a landing page so you can collect those emails and start making sales today. So this is free. This is free to join. Any affiliate program is free to join Quora. And you can start by just sending them to your link. Once you start earning money, then you can actually go and get a software like ClickFunnels and a software like a ConvertKit for your email marketing. So this is for action takers. So take action, start, just get started, and you know, do the first thing. Just send it to your link, and as you earning money, then you start using other tools. But like I always say, imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. Take action and do this. So I hope that you actually get value from this video, and then you go and are an action taker, go all in and answer as many as possible, and eventually you're gonna start seeing your account, you know, getting sales, and if you stay consistent, eventually you will be able to earn a full-time income from home by just answering questions. So if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're brand new to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe, and also hit the bell notification button so you guys get notified first when I release my videos, when I release them. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. If you want me to create a video about any subject that you have problems understanding, I would love to do that for you. And I will see you guys in the next video.